guys, so today I'm going to be filming a get ready with me video. I don't usually start off my videos with no makeup, meaning like the intro part, but I decided to just kind of do it as I go. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I don't really know exactly what I'm going to do for my makeup, but I think what I want to do is use the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. So probably do something with the fun little summery and spring colors in there. But anyways, yeah, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. So if you want to see what makeup look I come up with, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just going to start off my routine like I normally do, which is my moisturizer, my Aveda moisturizer. If y'all want more detail on like what products I use, you can watch my other videos. I've been using pretty much the same products for all my videos. So update, I just dropped my moisturizer all over the floor and I just finished cleaning that up. But good thing is we have concrete floors throughout the whole house, so it was really easy to clean up, but a big waste of product, so that sucks. But anyways, so I put on my moisturizer and now I'm just going to prime my eyes. I'm just going to use my concealer real quick to do that. And that's another reason why the sound is kind of like echoey or like pretty loud. It's because we have concrete floors and we don't really have a lot of stuff, or I don't really have a lot of stuff in this room. I probably should get some like rugs to kind of help with the sound, but for now I guess it works. But yeah, so concrete floors, it's actually pretty nice. I don't mind not having carpet. I'm pretty messy, so if I spill anything, it's really easy to clean up. Alright, now I'm just gonna set that real quick. Oh yeah, and I did get my hair done. If you can't tell, it's a lot blonder, which I am loving for the spring and summer. So shout out to my girl Hannah. She did my hair at work the other day and I love it. So pretty. Okay, so I went ahead and zoomed you on just a little bit so you can see a little better what I'm doing. But like I said, I'm just going to be using my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. So we'll see where this look takes us. Ignore my messy vanity. I haven't put anything away from the last time I filmed. But anyway, so I'm going to be taking Puree and Summer Yum from this palette, which are these two shades right here. And I'm just going to use a fluffy brush to apply that, so I'm just going to go ahead and put that in my crease real quick. I haven't used this palette in a really long time. I forgot how much I like it. And it smells like peaches. It smells so good. There we go. Just a nice little transition in there. And if I'm looking down, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. I'm filming on the corner of my vanity, so trying something different. Let me know if you guys like this camera angle better, or if you'd rather me like just be holding up a palette mirror in front. Just, yeah, I don't know which one is better. I'm just trying something different because that was a little tricky, and I feel like this might be a little easier, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with Candied Peach, which is this bright coralish peachy shade. And I'm going to be using a pretty dense brush. It's very, I don't know how to explain it. It just looks like this. So it's a pretty dense, fluffy brush. It's not as fluffy as the first brush I used, but this is just gonna help me kind of map out where I want it. So what I think I'm going to do is a halo eye. I'm going to be focusing most of that on the outer corner and the inner part of my eye. Okay, so I'm going to be focusing that color on the outer part and the inner part of my eye. And then I might go in, oh actually I know what I'm going to do next. Okay. So now that I got that down, I'm going to be taking the ColourPop Loose Pigment in Cameo. It's a really pretty kind of coral shade, orangish shade. I don't want to spell it, but it's so pretty. So I'm going to take that on go through my brushes here. I use this brush. It has some orange on it already, which I'm okay with. I'm just going to take that brush. These pigments are actually really pretty, but I've never used them with like an actual eyeshadow brush, so I don't know if this is going to work. I guess it just adds a little shine to what I have. Ooh. Holy glitter, do you see that? That is super, super shimmery, but I don't hate it. But I just want to intensify that peach a little more, so I'm going to go back into that candy peach color from the Too Faced palette on a flat brush. I can find one. Here we go. On a flat brush to kind of just pack on some more of that pigment. I think I did this look one time and I didn't put down a transition shade. That's probably better to do than to do a transition and then like take away from the actual color that you're going for. That was my dog, not a ghost, don't worry. Hi, what are you doing? What are you doing? She's bored. Whoa. Okay. So I'm gonna go back in with that first brush that I used and get just a tiny bit of those first two colors I used as transition shades, just to help blend in my crease a little bit. Okay, I think I like where it's at. I might intensify it a little bit after I put some glitter on the lid. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Stila Magnificent Metal liquid eyeshadow. That's what it is, right? And I'm gonna grab that real quick and then I'm gonna apply it to my lid. So I'm taking the shade Diamond Dust and I'm gonna apply that to the center of my lid on both eyes. And I'm just keeping this brush in hand to help blend out the edges so that it's not super harsh. So I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Probably just add a tiny bit more to the center. And then I'm just gonna do that to the other eye. Okay, I think that looks good. And now I'm just gonna go in and kind of make sure that the corners where that peach color is really pigmented. And I'm actually going to do that with the loose ColourPop pigment, but I'm going to wet my brush. So I'm just going to take some MAC. Okay, so I'm just going to take some MAC Fix. So now I'm just going to take some MAC Fix Plus and spray my brush real quick to intensify that coral color. And I'm just going to focus that mostly on the, outer corner of my eyes with that pigment. Ooh, it's so pretty. And the inner corner. Okay, I think I've intensified it as much as I can / want to. And with halo eyes, I feel like you can wear either winged eyeliner or you can just get away with just putting on lashes. But I'm the type of girl that loves a winged eyeliner, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some winged liner real quick. I'm going to be taking the Inglot gel liner in 77, which is just a black gel liner. I really, really love this gel liner. It's super, super creamy. It does not budge at all, like legit. Why did I just say legit? Not cute. Okay. But yeah, so I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna do a wing eyeliner real quick. A wing liner real quick, and then I'll be right back. So I got my wing eyeliner, and now I'm going to prep my lashes real quick. All right, now that I have those lashes sitting to get tacky, we're gonna start on the face. So since I've already prepped my face, I'm just gonna go in with my foundation. It's the same one that I used in my previous video, the Inglot HD Filter Foundation. I'm almost out, but I should be getting my new one on Friday. All right, so now I got my foundation on. I'm gonna go in with concealer. This is just the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I do the same thing every time. Nothing special. Under the eyes, down the bridge of the nose, the forehead, Cupid's bow, and chin. Alright, and now I'm just going to go ahead and set my whole face with my RCMA translucent setting powder using my sponge. Alright, now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and pop up my lashes real quick. These have been sitting for a little bit, so I'm just going to, they should be easy to apply. Alright, got my lashes on. It's probably the last time I'm going to wear these lashes. I wear my lashes pretty, I wear them quite a few times before I get a new pair on, but these ones, my eye was like watering the other day, so the end of this one is like straight out, but you can barely tell. So now I'm going to contour my face real quick. Okay, so I'm just going to contour my face with my Shade and Light Kat Von D palette. Here's a little fun fact. I don't wear bronzer. I've never worn bronzer. I don't entirely know what bronzer is for. Like, I know it's to like warm up your face before you put on a contour, but I've just always done my makeup this way. I guess what I do is like I put my contour wherever I should bronze, but this is what works for me. So, and now that my face is contoured, I'm just gonna go in and apply some blush. Same exact blush I've been using every time, the Coastal Scents palette. It's like almost like a terracotta shade if you look at it in pan. It's that one down there. It's the only one I've ever used from this palette. I just like it. Now that I have blush, I already baked a little bit. I cleaned up my contour and my nose contour, so I'm just gonna add some highlighter. Alright, I already highlighted my face. I highlighted my underneath my brow bone. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my brows real quick. And now to finish off the eyes, I'm going to apply, where is it? Some eyeliner to my waterline. I really like this kohl pencil from Inglot. Brighten up my eyes when I don't want to wear black eyeliner on my waterline. Alright, now I'm going to take a flat definer brush and take that peach shade here and apply that underneath my waterline. And then I'm just going to take a pencil brush and those two shades I used for my transition shade to smoke that out a little bit. And I'm just going to apply some mascara real quick. Now I'm going to apply some highlighter to the inner corners of my eyes, just to brighten that up a little bit. So now for lipstick, I'm going to be lining my lips with the ColourPop lip liner in the shade Frickin' Frack. And then I'm going to be topping that with the Matte X Lippy Stick in Hotline. So I'm gonna do that real quick. So I ended up going over my lipstick with the ColourPop shade Cookie to give it a little bit of a lighter dimension because it was just too dark for me. And then I just set my face with my Skindinavia setting spray. Alright guys, so that is the finished makeup look. Sorry I ended up doing a voiceover at the end. My boyfriend came home and he started playing the drums in the room next door while I was filming the end of this video. So I didn't want to like have that playing in the background, so I just decided to do a voiceover. But anyways, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment any other video ideas you have for me down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!